Tired of spending countless hours on your phone without getting anything in return? Look no further. A revolutionary app that not only lets you enjoy your favorite activities but also pays you for it. Yes, you heard it right. Earn real cash just by using this free app. In this video, I'll walk you through the amazing features of this app that have already helped thousands of users make extra money effortlessly. This app offers a variety of fun and easy ways to boost your income. Whether you're a student looking to earn some pocket money or someone in need of additional income, this is the perfect solution for you. Say goodbye to wasting time on unproductive apps and start turning your smartphone into a money-making machine. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch the video now and discover how you can start earning cash with just a few taps on your screen. It's time to make your smartphone work for you. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. And if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. Get ready to discover a whole new world of earning opportunities with this amazing app. This app called Field Agent. Every day, people like you are using the Field Agent app to make money. For over 10 years, the Field Agent app has provided a fast, flexible means for thousands of people to make real cash while doing what they're already doing. Just gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks to ultimately help companies deliver the best products and experiences possible for people like you. It works very simply. Download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job, then get paid real cash. To cash out your funds from the app, you will need to link a bank account or prepaid card to your Field Agent app, then verify that bank account. Field Agent app is available in the following countries: United States, Canada, Mexico, Ecuador, UK, Spain, South Africa, and Australia. If you are not in these countries, please comment down below from which country you are, so I can create specific videos for your region. Don't miss out on this incredible chance to get paid for using Field Agent app. Download now and start earning. In the end, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.